as the input, as the prev out of his future transaction. Okay, a little bit complicated, I mean. So however, what I made mistake previously, that I said this is the transaction hash ID of the previous transaction, but that's actually not true. This is actually the hash ID of the previous block, and in that previous block the first transaction is going to be used in this transaction. Okay. Okay, so as we have been talking about that, there's this weird all zero hash ID, and so that means this all zero means this actually is the this actually refers that this is a special transaction. Basically, this transaction means that this is related to Bitcoin mining reward. Okay, the entity or the miner who have become successful to solve the mathematical puzzle to create this Bitcoin block has been rewarded by this transaction. As you can see, the first transaction, we say the generation transaction, the input section, there's no specific Bitcoin address. So when we see this Coinbase token, so that basically means this generation Bitcoin address, and you can see 25 it has been 25 Bitcoin has been rewarded to him. Actually, the Bitcoin block reward started with 50 Bitcoin, and every 4 years it halves. So from 2009 up to 2009, 10, 11, 12, up to 12, it was 50 Bitcoin as the block reward, and then it halved to 25 Bitcoin as the block reward. And as you can see, this 0.2338795, these are actually the transaction fees. So we'll talk about more what this transaction fee means. Okay, so all these are rewarded to the Bitcoin miner who have helped solving the puzzle for this specific block. So in this first transaction is always a special transaction where the Bitcoin miner is rewarded certain amount of Bitcoin address. Okay, and actually this is the Bitcoin address of that Bitcoin miner. So today we have talked about Bitcoin block structure. Probably not everything has been very clear. I mean, we need to learn in more details what means what, and but as a whole, I try to give the overall idea about the Bitcoin block and transaction structure. Thank you very much. Okay, see you again.